iPhone is up and running. Yeah, we're gonna stop using the setup for a few days until we can get this straightened out with Facebook. All right, guys, I'm gonna. Yep, here we go. All right, that is the new stream. What's up, guys? We are live on the new stream. We're having some issues with Facebook again, so we're just going to go to the iPhone. I'm going to drop a link to the new stream inside the comments of the old stream, and then I will get the old stream shut down. For now, I'm going to keep it on. The camera sitting here. I'll show you guys what I got rocking here. Boom! Sony Alpha kicking it live. Yeah, too bad we can't use it right now. Sheesh. Yep, to the phone we go. I know it's frustrating, guys. I'm very sorry. If you knew how angry it made me, then you would you'd understand what I'm talking about. It just makes me so mad. All right, guys, I'm going to end the old stream right now, and but that way there's all, you can see the whole thing. Yep, phone time, we're there. Yeah, I'm going to be off the current system until we can definitively get this straightened out with Facebook. So we're going to be without the sidebar for a few days. We're just going to be strictly iPhone. We can't have this happening on the stream, so it's just not acceptable. All right, let me get the Alpha out of here, and we will rip and roll, get this thing straightened out. Thank you for your patience, guys. Gotta love technology, right? I know all the extra bells and whistles are pretty cool, but Zach Wilson, nah, it was T-Law, man. I know that happened earlier. He's like, "Where's the Pedriato?" All right, guys. Well, enough of that. We're not going to be using the system for the time being until I can get this straightened out with Facebook. Figure out why they keep dropping our frame rate down to 0 for no reason. Because it is not my system. The system is fine. All the metrics on the system show good, but it is the Facebook measurements that I'm seeing that are going into the red. So I'm not a big tech guy. I don't know exactly what is happening, but we'll get it figured out. All right, guys, here we go. Back to the same pack. Here we go. Hopefully everybody got the link. And all right, Joe Tryon to the Bucks and pump fake Elijah Moore going to the JETS Jets. Oh, where's the downtown Mac at? Nathan B with the hit. I had the iPhone ready, though, just in case. So here we are. Sheesh. Jarrett Patterson to Washington and Brett Favre to the Vikings. Retro series. I know part of me was saying, let's just use the iPhone and be done with it, but I was a little stubborn this time. Cornell Powell, Chiefs, and we got Devontae Parker to the Dolphins. Hello. Come on, baby. Ronnie Perkins to the Pats, and we got Adafe Owa. Purple Shock going to the Ravens. Who grabbed the Ravens for this one? PJ with the hit. Hopefully everybody got the link to the new stream that was in the comments that I dropped. iPhone good, brother. All right, here we go. Tylan Wallace, Ravens, and Elijah Molden, Titans. All right, there you go. Titans with the hit. That's going to go to Justin S. T-Law downtown. I got you, man. Come on now. Chaz Surratt, Vikings. Dominators, Alvin Kamara, Saints. And we got a Michael Pittman Jr. Hello for the Colts. For the Colts. Where the Colts hiding, man? Yeah, nothing will clear your room out quicker than a bad stream. T-Army going to Washington. And we got Pitts for the Falcons. We've been pulling a lot of Pitts lately. Purple Shock, a little OC there, but hey, don't tap on the window. Wendy with the hit. We'll put that right there. Mr. Pitts. Shocking. All right, here we go. Zaven Collins, Cardinals, and Josh Palmer on the glow ball. Got the Canadian flag behind him. That one I'm sure of. Richard M. with the Chargers. Yeah, guys, we're going to be using this setup for at least a few days so I can get some definitive answers and get this thing ironed out. So, Jamar Chase, Bengals, and Michael Strahan, G-Men. It's not so bad. Hey, we still get the music, right? Caleb Farley, Titans, and a Greg Russo to the Bills. Purple Shock. Bills Mafia got it. Chadwin J. Eli Mitchell, Niners. And Jake Funk to the Rams. Purple Shock. Shocking. All right, Rams, there you go. That's going to go to Bob N. Next two coming at ya. Come on, baby. Show me your teeth. Show me that laser. I need laser in my life. Elijah Molden, Titans. Gifted rookies, Trey Sermon, Niners. And a Josh Allen hollow going to the Jags. Base rookie, Boogie Basham, Bills. And a Jammin' Jamin going to Washington on the shock. What a shocker. I'm not going to stop, I promise. All right, Tutu Atwell, Rams, and a My House. We got Kyler going to the Cardinals. I don't know if I've pulled this My House before. All right, nice hit going to Justin S. I like that insert, one of my favorites. This My House. Quinn Meinert's going to the Broncos, and we got a Myles Gaskin hollow to the Dolphins. UW. He played for the University of Washington. Man, he was exciting. Justin Fields to the Bears, and we got Kylan Hill, Packers. Did you hear that? He's probably got a PSA box. You got to sign for it. I think somebody's PSA box just got delivered. Bears with the hit here. This one's going to go to Joey F. And that Packers hit is Pau K with the hit on that one. Sam Ehlinger, Colts. And we got a Pat Fryermuth, Purple Shock. French fries. Going to the Steelers. Chris T with the hit. There you go, buddy. Little Magic PSA box. Oh, yeah. Wonder whose it is. Just one? All right. Zaven Collins, Cardinals. Dominators, Pat Mahomes, Chiefs. And Tannehill to the Titans. Somebody's going to be happy. Feels like we get a PSA delivery at least every other day. Jamar Chase, Bengals, and Chaz Surratt, Vikings. On the base. All right, Purple Shock. Going to the Vikes, that is Chris B. And the Chase base going to Michael S. All right, there you go, buddy. Caleb Farley, Titans, and legendary logos. Josh Allen got the Beefalo there. The Beefalo. Nice hit, Bills. Chadwin with the Josh Allen legendary logos. Eli Mitchell, Niners, and Von Miller, Broncos on the holo. Jalen Darden, Bucks, and Diami Brown, Washington, on the Purple Shock. That is shocking. Chris B with the hit. All right, last pack of the box. Yeah, we do got a DT here, guys. Anytime there's a downtown, they don't stick to the card in front of it. But there we go, downtown, baby. Let's freaking go downtown. Maybe we'll hit our first rookie base downtown. Who we got? Good luck, everybody. That is Justin Fields going to the Bears. Downtown. Joey F. It's all good, baby, baby. Ow, ow. Now we're talking. Come on now. Congrats. Off the mini, too. Wow. And a Zaven Collins Purple Shock. Nasty friggin' hit on the Fields DT, brother. A congrats, my friend. Let's get this one suited up. Wow, man. That is very cool. First rookie base one we've hit. Yeah, I got him upside down. That's all right. Heck yeah, man. Hey, that's the first rook we've hit that wasn't a gold. Because the only rookie we hit up until this one was the gold one. That was Zach Wilson out of Hobby. So, yeah, first retail rookie downtown hit. All right, there you go, brother. Very nice. Got it megged up. Let's go, Justin Fields. Big hit energy, baby. You guys know what it is. Nice hit. Congrats to Joey. I'm going to get about 3 or 4 DMs tonight. Man, I was going to take the Bears, too. I do the same, though. All right, there we go. Zaven Collins to the Cardinals. That is Justin S. 1 second here, guys. So that's 2 nights in a row. And that's 2 downtowns out of this one case. Oh, Thomas D, sorry, man. Hey, good thing you didn't, my friend. That's kind of how it goes, though, right? Joey, you would have been so mad. Oh my gosh. I'll put up the hit recap for our last 2 retail breaks. plus this one, so the last 3. That'll go up. I'll put it up tonight, yeah. All right, Trey McKitty going to the Chargers. We got a Elite Series rookies, Devonta Smith Eagles, and a Matt Ryan Falcons on the holo. Yeah, for some reason the downtown, the way they're cut or something. Well, I know right away it's a downtown because it's kind of stuck to the card behind it. It's not stuck, but the edges on those kind of come up with just a hair because of the cut for some reason. And so you have to almost do this to get it apart from the card behind it. So I knew right away that was a downtown before I even saw the card. All right, base. Penei Sewell, Lions. And Rashawn Slater, Purple Shock. Going to the Chargers. Richard M. with the hit. Those downtowns sell well too, man. Grade it. Send it off to PSA, baby. All right, Zach Wilson to the Jets. Jets. Cowboys are going to beat Mike's Giants. Are they up? There we go. White hot rookies. Rashad Bateman to the Ravens. Nice hit, Ravens. PJ with the hits. I like those white hot rookies. And the Jets, Jets. Nathan B with the Zach Wilson base. Still got cards, my friends. Why not? Let's hit another downtown tonight. Come on, baby. Give me a 2-for deal. Or give me one of those fire emojis. Pat Surtain, Broncos, and Dan the Man. Hollow to the Dolphins. Show me one of those fire emojis. Thomas D calling for T-Law. Jabril Cox, Cowboys, and Devonta. Another Purple Shock. Shannon stacking up the goods, brother. Got that zebra coming in your package tomorrow, my friend. Josh Palmer, Chargers, and Jammin' Jamin going to Washington. Purple Shock. Chris B with another one. All right, there you go, bud. Let's get that basketball filled tonight, guys. Just a couple mini spots left in there. $10 a spot. It's 2021-22 Chronicles basketball. Last box on hand. Pete Warner Saints. Got Javonte to the Broncos, gifted rookies, and Barry Sanders hollow to the Lions. Top 5 too. Got some great teams in there. I think it's Rockets and Magic are the top 2 teams, but the Mavs are in there and some other teams. Greg Newsome Browns and Greg Newsome Browns on the Purple Shock. 2 Greg Newsomes. That is shocking. Browns with the hit. Chris B with another one. Stacking up the color tonight, my friend. As soon as we get that Chronicles basketball filled, I am going to put up Fast Break Prism. Looks really nice this year. Chris Evans going to the Bengals. And we got a My House. Jalen Hurts. Another hit for the Eagles. Nice one, man. Shannon G with the hit. All right, 3 packs left in Blaster Land. Let's get a DT or a fire emoji on the way out. Come on, baby. Don't be so mean. Ramondre, Patriots. And Andre Cisco on the holo. Jaggedy Jags going to Thomas D. Got sleeves over there, my love. I just need a little bit. Thank you. 1 second here, guys. Most of the time, my eyeball for sleeves and top loaders is is good, but every once in a while, I underestimate. Chaz Surratt, Vikes. His head's pointing the right way. Oh my gosh. Chris Evans going to the Bengals. Him and Chase have their heads pointed to the right on the card. Chase is a little smaller helmet, I think, but it always gets me. All right, there you go, Michael with the hit. I tried to use my one-time base. And we got Ramondre for the Pats on the purple shock. We are down to our auto box. One auto or mem coming up. All right, Jim A with the hit there on Ramondre. Off that mini action boss. Tomorrow is shipping day, of course, here at the Swanson household. It takes a full effort to get it done. We pack up anywhere from 80 to 100 packages and get them shipped out. It is quite the undertaking. We've got a pretty well-oiled machine here, though, so. What do we have here in the first pack? We got our auto, baby. Let's go. Rookie auto. We hit a vet auto last night. Here we go. Rookie auto, baby. First pack mojo. Broncos. We got Javonte. Nice hit. Going to the Broncos. Johnny B. Gonna hit that bronze auto. Nice player there. Very cool. Hey, we'll take that. Yes, sir. I like the auto to mem ratio in the Optic a lot better than the Prism boxes. You just seem to get more autos per box. Prism, they're just so hard to hit. But unfortunately, this year with Optic, they didn't put the mems in the auto boxes. They just do auto or mem. Greg Rousseau Bills. With Prism, they did a one auto and a mem or one mem. So that way the boxes didn't weigh differently. All right, here we go. Bronze rated rookie Marquez Stevenson to the Bills. Jake Funk Rams. We are good to go. Bob N with, excuse me, that is Chadwin J with the hit. Sorry, Bob. Getting ahead of myself here. I was looking at the Jake Funk while I was calling off the Bills card. All right, we got a legendary logos. Patty Mahomes for the Chiefs. Nice hit. Base rookie is Jacob Harris for the Rams. I think this is our third one of these in this break. I like that insert, man. All right, Chiefs with the hit, Mike W. Very nice. That closer mojo. All right, rookie hollow coming at you. Another Charger hit. Rashawn Slater. Hunter Long on the base rookie for the Finns. Goodness gracious, Chargers cleaning house tonight. Richard M., there you go, buddy. Gifted rookies, Devonta Smith, Eagles, and Trey Sermon, Niners on the base action. Come on, show me that lightning. All right, here we go, bronze. Felipe Franks going to the Falcons, and Alex Leatherwood for the Raiders. Wrong Falcon. Going to the right person. Wendy with the hit. All right, here we go. Hello, James Robinson going to the Jags. And we got a Waddle for the Finns on the base. 3-pack mojo. Will we see another DT? Come on, baby. Show it to me. Sammy on the bronze, going to the boys, and a Kelvin Joseph. Double shot of Cowboys there. Justin S. with the hit on the semi with the bronze 2-pack mojo. Here we go, guys. All right, rookie hollow coming at you Eagles, Devonta. Eagles having a heck of a break. That is for sure. Shannon G. And She Smith Panthers. There you go, buddy. Nice looking hollow too, man. Man, the card looks good. Surface looks good. Nice hit, brother. Very nice.
Oh my God. Justin Fields downtown. Oh, hoo-hoo. Dang.
Look what you missed while you were away. All right, last pack mojo, guys. Looks like we got a base pack to finish off the break. We got Richie Grant going to the Falcons, and that will do it for another awesome Optic break. We did hit the downtown Fields. That is your lone break credit hit. Joey F off the mini. What a nice hit there, brother. Congrats. That is a sick card, man. Very nice. And we do hit the auto tonight out of the Mega Box. Definitely light on the top QBs tonight, though. Interesting dynamic. It was a fantastic break, but man, we usually have an embarrassment of riches of those top few quarterbacks, but not as much tonight. Still got some great hits. Congrats to our hitters. Get this cleaned up a little bit before we start laying cards on it. Cannot stand that stuff getting on the top loaders. All right, there we go. All right, again, congrats to our hitters. Here we go. Hit recap coming at you. All right, here we go. Sammy Fehoko to the Cowboys. Felipe Franks, Falcons. Rashawn Slater, Chargers. We got legendary logos. Pat Mahomes, Chiefs. Marquez Stevenson going to the Bills. Ramondre to the Patriots. Chris Evans, Bengals. Andre Sisco, Jags. My House, Jalen Hurts, Eagles. We got Greg Newsome, Browns. Jamin Davis to Washington. Zach Wilson, Jets. Rashad Bateman, White Hot Rookies, Ravens. Rashawn Slater, Chargers. Zaven Collins, Cardinals. Kellen Mond, Vikings. De'Ami Brown, Washington. Josh Allen, legendary logos going to the Bills. Nice hit. Jamar Chase, Bengals. Chaz Surratt, Vikes. Patty French Fries, Freiermuth to the Steelers. Purple Shock. Justin Fields to the Bears. Kylan Hill, Packers. My House, Kyler Murray, Cardinals. Jamin Jamin to Washington. Jake Funk, Rams. Greg Rousseau, Bills. Global, Josh Palmer, Chargers. Peyton Turner, Hollow to the Saints. Elijah Molden, Titans. Adafe Owa, Ravens. Elijah Moore, Jets. And Dennis Fitzpatrick, Titans. Got Jeremiah Owusu-Koramoah, Hollow to the Browns. Rashawn Slater, Chargers. Rookie Phenoms, Memhit, Kadarius, Tony, Blue Hyper to the G-Men. Joseph Osai, Bengals. Global, Hines Ward, Steelers. Kyle Pitts, Falcons on the Purple Shock. Davis Mills, Purple Shock to the Texans. And we got a triple shot of Devonta Smith there. 2 Purple Shocks and a hollow. Nice going to the Eagles. Our auto, Javonte Williams, bronze, rated rookie auto out of the Optic Mega Box. Very nice hit there. Johnny B, nice hit, my friend. And downtown. Beautiful hit there. Justin Fields. Downtown, going to the Bears. Nice hit, man. That's a sweet card. We'll get the hit recap up here shortly, guys. Thank you so much for everybody jumping into the break. Check out Mike's breakup now. Once that fills, I'll have it more Optic. Let's get that Chronicles basketball filled. I am itching to rip that box. It is talking to me on the shelf. Let me tell you what, $10 a spot on that mini great teams. Jump on in there, grab a spot. Let's fill that bad boy. All right, guys, we'll see you on the next break. And remember, as always, keep it hot.